Let me show you how to read tab on the guitar. It's actually very simple. You're going to have 6 lines on your tab staff, and just think of it as you're looking at it backwards in your guitar. So when you hit the first string open, indicated by a 0, that's the top line of the staff. The next string is your second string. The 0 on the next string is your third string, fourth string, fifth string, and then your 6th string. So your 6th string on the guitar, which is the one closest to your face here, but on the tab staff, it's actually the lowest one when you're looking at it. Now, 0s indicate open strings. When you want to have a fret, it's going to be whatever fret and whatever string it's on. So if I want to play right here, 3rd fret of the 1st string, it's going to be a 3 indicated by a 3 on that top line of the staff. Now, it doesn't tell you what fingers you use, so you can really use whatever finger you want. Let's say if I have 2 here on the 4th string, the 2 indicates the fret and then whatever string it's on, in this case 1, 2, 3, the 4th string. Now you can also do multiple notes at one time on the tab, and that's when they're going to be stacked on top of each other. For example, let's just do 2 strings. If I do the open 5th string and then 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then when they're stacked on top of each other, that just means you play them together, whether you're using a pick or your finger, you play them together. And then you can also indicate chords as well on the tab staff. So let's just say our G chord here. If I start on the low string here, it's going to be 3, 2, 0, 0, and then let's say, no, 0 again, yeah, and then 3. Let's do that G chord right there. And again, when they're all lined up together, that means you strum them. When they're broken up, that would mean you play them individually. So there's a quick lesson on how to read tab on the guitar. Did you know that? Did you learn something? Leave that in the comments below. If you want to get better at the guitar, doesn't matter what style, doesn't matter if you're just starting off or been playing for a while, check out all our courses, our memberships at rocklikethepros.com.